All right, so what are we calling this? Snowzilla? What?
Snowzilla.
Snowzilla. All right, so Snowzilla has started in Virginia. It's been snowing for a couple hours now. I've been working today, and so this is my first chance I've had to get out here in the snow, and we've already got, how much do you think we got?
What?
Do you think we got like 3 or 4 inches?
No.
No?
Barely have, we might have 1.5, maybe.
I think we've got like a foot. So we're out with the sleds. We're bringing them out. Gabe's still putting on his gear. And so yeah, I'm gonna check in through the whole storm to show you guys what it's like here in Virginia.
Alright. This is my snow.
Push her, Brooke. Give her a push. Grab the string and pull it, Brooke.
It's too slow. Scooch.
Come here, Brooke. Hold this camera and take some video. I'll give your mother a slingshot down.
That's fun. Yeah, you just stand there and do that all day. So here's the street view. Doesn't look too bad out here. When I was just in the house walking through, on the news they said that we officially have 2 inches right now, and still probably will get another 30. So yay that. So yeah, it's really cold and I'm out of breath because we were just sledding, and the snow is kind of wet, so it's really cold in my face. But I'm gonna go back out, and I can't really keep the camera out right now because, like I said, it's a wet snow. Here, let me move. Because it's a wet snow and the camera's getting too wet. So I'm gonna put the camera in and see what else I can film, maybe when it stops snowing, or if the snow isn't so wet, if it gets to be more fluffy. And I will check in with you guys periodically to show you the snow totals. And yeah, that's it.
Doing that shit from the Christmas story.
I am that kid from the...
Whatever's under the deck is back under there. Something keeps hiding under our deck. I don't know if it's a rabbit, a squirrel, a bird, what, but it's driving Sonia crazy, and she keeps running, not our deck, our shed, and she keeps running circles around it, trying to get under there. That's a good place to be in a storm.
Yep. Broken old lady.
2 hours later.